How to end the live on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can end the live on TikTok. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you need to install and update the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then open your TikTok. And now you will see there is a plus icon right here. Just make sure you tap there. After you tap here, so you should remember that you can go live on TikTok only you have certain followers. If you don't have that criteria on TikTok, then you cannot go live. So yeah, after having that followers and you want to go live on TikTok, you can just tap on the live by scrolling on the right side, and when you want to add, you will see that there is in the live now option there. You can just tap there as well, or you can also tap on the cross icon which is on the top left side or the right side, which you will see very easily on the corners. So just like that, you can end your life pretty easily. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.